Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video shares my personal experience using the service. SimlyStore, https://www.simlystore.com, offers a unique approach to digital product and service delivery. This platform simplifies the process of selling and managing digital assets, making it an attractive option for creators and entrepreneurs looking to streamline their online businesses. Whether you're selling ebooks, software, online courses, or other digital goods, SimlyStore provides a user-friendly interface and robust features to handle the complexities of digital commerce. The platform handles secure file delivery, payment processing, and customer management, allowing sellers to focus on creating and promoting their products rather than getting bogged down in administrative tasks. One of the standout features is the customizable storefront, allowing sellers to create a branded experience that aligns with their existing online presence. Furthermore, SimlyStore offers various integrations with popular marketing tools and platforms, further enhancing its functionality and reach. This integration allows for seamless marketing campaigns and automated processes, saving valuable time and resources. For creators seeking a simplified yet powerful solution for selling digital products, SimlyStore is worth exploring. Their pricing plans cater to various needs and business sizes, making it accessible to a wide range of users. From individual creators just starting out to established businesses with large catalogs, SimlyStore offers a scalable solution that can grow alongside your business. The platform's intuitive design and comprehensive features make it a compelling choice for anyone looking to efficiently manage and monetize their digital creations. They also provide helpful resources and customer support to assist users in maximizing the platform's potential and achieving their business goals. So if you're looking for a centralized platform to handle all aspects of your digital product sales, from delivery and payment to customer management and marketing, be sure to check out SimlyStore. It could be the key to simplifying your workflow and boosting your online sales. They offer various tools to help you succeed, such as marketing integrations and customizable branding options. By handling the technical aspects, SimlyStore empowers creators to concentrate on what they do best, creating valuable content and connecting with their audience.